If you heard the sounds of airplanes over Nampa the last few days and have been curious why they were there, you may be happy to hear that the annual Warbird Roundup is back for its 19th year. This year, the keynote speaker was Colonel Bud Anderson and the last living triple ace pilot from World War II. Military reporter Steve Dent has more.
Boise native Paxton McCamish serves in the U.S. Air Force, and he performs the electronic and computer maintenance on the new F-35s.
The F-35 is our latest and greatest. It's not only the most advanced fighter aircraft that we have at the moment, it also makes every jet around it better.
Staff Sergeant McCamish is part of a demonstration team that blends modern aviation with so much history.
Because as a demonstration team, we're here to inspire the future, but we're also here to honor the past and to remember all the airmen that came before us.
The Warbird Roundup also draws people interested in these historic planes, and we found people gathered at the end of the runway to watch these World War II era planes take off and land.
I just appreciate, the fact that these things are built almost, 80, 90 years ago now, and they're still just as gorgeous as they are, and I mean, there's not many of them left flying, so if you don't mind. There's not many places left in the country where you can get that close to a landing Bearcat, so that's why we're out here.
The Warbird Roundup marks one of the biggest fundraisers of the year for the Warhawk Museum, and this year it happened at a perfect time.
I'm glad you asked that because this whole weekend is about love of our country and love of our veterans.
This has been a hard week for veterans, especially those who served in Afghanistan, as we lost 13 service members in a suicide bombing at the Kabul airport.
It's tragic. And so this weekend is meant to bring light and to bring love to our country, to everybody that's here, and especially to men like you, our veterans.
But the Warbird Roundup also allowed Staff Sergeant McCamish to come home and show his family what he does, giving us a glimpse at the next generation of warfighters.
I love the Air Force. The Air Force has been very awesome to me, and it's been a blessing. One of the greatest decisions of my life.
Steve Dent, Idaho News 6.